In the last lecture, we refactored our code so that we have this check win function checking if we lost or won, and that we also have a new function for calculating the damage. With that, the attack function is working fine. We now want to implement the special attack. I can generally copy the code from up here. As a side note, always a good sign that you can refactor something, but for here I will leave it like this. And I will set up this to deal damage between 10 and 20, since it is our special attack. Now, in here, I of course also want to check if we won after dealing this special attack here. And thereafter, we again want the monster to attack, and this should always deal the same damage. So I can copy the code from up there. And yeah, we got some code duplication here. Especially the monster attack, which is always the same, deals the same damage. That is something we might outsource. Yes, we could also refactor the player damage, but I will leave it here so that we can quickly see what each attack does. But I definitely want to refactor the monster damage. So let's do this. I'll add a new function, which I'll name monster attacks. This is a function here. And in this function here, I simply copy in the code I just copied where I reduce the player health and deal this damage. This now means that here, where the monster dealt damage, I can now simply execute this monster attacks like that, here too. And with this in place, let's have a look at the application again. Let's start, attack, special attack, dealing more damage. Yeah, we're clearly winning here. You won, new game. Works just as well as before, now with an extra attack and the monster damage now also refactored to have a bit more cleaner code. Next, we want to implement the healing and go away from dealing damage to healing damage.